Everyone is screaming about OpenClaw right now, but if you're a business owner, you're probably wondering if it's all hype or if it can actually improve your operations. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 things OpenClaw can do for your business without showing you a single line of code. And number 5 might replace an entire team member, so let's get into it. But first, here's a quick one-sentence version of what OpenClaw actually is. It's an AI assistant that runs 24/7 and can actually do things for your business, like send messages, check emails, research prospects, and monitor the internet. Okay, so here's the 5 things. Let's get into it. Number 1, your morning briefing. Imagine starting every day with a message on your phone before you even open your laptop that says, "Good morning, here's the state of your business, pipeline updates, which deals are closing this week, which clients haven't responded in 3 days, what's on your calendar, any emails flagged as urgent, industry news that might affect your clients." You didn't have to open your CRM, Slack, or scroll through 40 emails. OpenClaw does it all for you and hands you a one-page summary before you even wake up. And this might sound like a basic use case, but this is a great example of tasks that you can knock off your to-do list without any additional work. The setup is simple. You tell OpenClaw every morning at 6:30 a.m., check my calendar, check my email, check my pipeline, and send me a briefing on Telegram. And it just does it every day without you touching a single thing. Number 2 is email triage. As a business owner, your inbox probably looks like a mess. Clients, vendors, invoices, proposals, cold outreach, all mixed together. Here's what OpenClaw can do. It reads every email that comes in and sorts them by what actually matters. Client emails, proposals, and emergencies move to the top of the list. A cold pitch from a marketing company can be buried. Then it sends you a summary. You have 47 emails today, 4 need your attention. Here they are, here's what they're about, and here's a suggested reply for each one. The other 43 can be categorized and archived, not deleted, always accessible, but out of your way so you can focus on the emails that actually move the needle. Number 3 is a pre-call sales research co-pilot, and this is where it gets really powerful for anyone in sales. Picture this, your sales rep has a discovery call at 2 p.m. with a prospect. Normally they spend 30 to 45 minutes before that call scrambling, pulling up the company's website, skimming their LinkedIn, maybe Googling recent news. Half the time they walk into the call with service level info and it shows. With OpenClaw, here's what happens instead. You tell it, "I have a call with Sarah Chen, VP of Operations at Meridian Logistics. Prepare a research brief." And it goes to work. It pulls up the company website, reads the about page, the leadership team, the services page. It can look at their LinkedIn, company size, recent posts, job openings. It checks recent news. Did they just raise a round? Did they just lose a competitor? Are they hiring like crazy, which usually means they're scaling? 15 minutes later, your rep has a 2-page brief on their desk that looks like an analyst put it together. Company overview, key stakeholders, recent moves, likely pain points, even suggested conversation starters based on what the prospect's been posting about. Your rep walks into that call fully prepared to ask the right questions that lead to a deal. Now scale that across your whole team. 5 reps, 4 calls a day. That's 20 research briefs generated automatically. That can be a serious competitive advantage. Number 4 is a trend radar. As a business owner, staying ahead of the market is critical. Imagine immediately knowing about a competitor that launches a new feature, or about a viral Reddit thread that exposes a gap in your market you can solve. Finding these trends and staying on top of them can be a full-time job. You might not have time to scroll X, refresh Reddit, and read press releases every morning. So often, by the time something hits your radar, everyone's already reacting to it. OpenClaw changes that. It can scan X, Reddit, press releases, news sites, whatever sources matter to your space, and filters for what's actually relevant to your business. A competitor just announced a price increase, flagged with a suggested offer to capture their frustrated customers. A trending Reddit thread complaining about a problem your product already solves, flagged with a content angle you could publish today. New compliance requirements in your industry, flagged with what it means for your roadmap. It doesn't just give you insights, it gives you real actions you can take to leverage those insights. Number 5, and honestly, this one might be worth the entire setup itself, is a signal finder that spots buyers before they raise their hand. What if your AI was constantly scanning the internet for signals that someone is ready to buy what you sell? Here's what I mean. You can tell OpenClaw, here's my ideal customer profile, here are the buying signals I care about, and then it goes hunting every single day while you sleep. It monitors LinkedIn for posts like, "We've outgrown our current system," or "Looking for recommendations on." These are buying signals. It watches job boards. If a company is posting for a role that relates to your service, it means they're investing in that area. If you sell marketing software and they're hiring a head of marketing, that's a signal. It scans industry forums, Reddit threads, and X posts, anywhere your prospects are publicly saying, "I have a problem that you can solve." It can automatically find decision makers, draft emails, and place them in your CRM. Think about what that does for your pipeline. You're not cold calling, you're reaching out to people at the exact moment they need what you offer. Most businesses pay thousands of dollars a month for intent data tools that do a fraction fraction of this. OpenClaw does it for you at the cost of running a small server. So those are the 5 things OpenClaw can do for your business. No engineering team required. Now, setting this up does take a little effort. It's not a one-click install. But if you want to learn more about OpenClaw, join our school community. The link is in the description. I'm dropping more videos about OpenClaw and AI agents every week. So make sure you like and subscribe and drop a comment. Which of these 5 would make the biggest impact on your business? I'll see you in the next one.